Rademaker is not just bakery and confectionery high-quality lines, it's also technical support and customer service. We'll find out more with George Makdissy, Area Sales Manager Middle East and Africa of Rademaker, here at Gulfood Manufacturing 2025. George, you are part of the team, Rademaker team involved in local area. How you support the Middle East customers?
Yeah, we are supporting the Middle East customers by just being close to them. We have our teams that being present here all the time in the area, cooperating with our headquarters, with our service department there, to support them, to be close to them all the time, and to design the project that they want to do, also together with them from the beginning.
And also Rademaker is always close to the customer remotely.
For sure, because this is our main concern. We don't only sell the customer the machine, we are always being next to them, supporting them, and provide them with a full solution. So this is our strategy.
George, how Rademaker did integrate in its plans the AI and the vision system to improve the quality of the production?
Yeah. As you know, Rademaker has always been the market pioneer in the baking business. That's why we partnered with Censure in order to integrate AI technology into our production line. This intelligent system will act like the brain and the eyes of the production line, making sure that all the product quality are consistent, and also making sure that we have the minimal waste. So in addition of the high-speed production line that we already have, now we have a smart line that guarantee an identical product and optimizing all the production flow.
And this is very important for your customers.
Yeah, for sure, because minimal waste and consistent product, those are the two keys for the customer in order to have the perfect production lines.
George, let's focus on the target. What are the main target of your customers?
Always the customer look for the expert in order to accomplish their projects. That's why we offer them the turnkey solution, which means we don't sell only the machine, we sell a full baking solution that will start from the line layout and the designing of the project. Then we will be with them together on the ground to do the installation, the training, and all the necessary steps to have and then at the end we offer them a turnkey solution and a turnkey project to have the perfect production line.
So you supply companies involved in bakery, industrial bakery and confectionery. May I ask you, medium, small, or just big?
Rademaker has always been known for the industrial scale that we work on. In the last few years, we integrated also to our range of product the Radini solution that will help customers of mid-range capacity to have solution from us. So we are talking about a range that between 1 ton and 250 kilograms of dough per hour, so they can benefit from our solution as well.
Great. We are at the second day of Gulfood Manufacturing 2025. What do you think about that?
It's always been excited to exhibit here in Gulfood. A lot of new ideas, lot of new projects. Everybody in the Middle East and Africa, even from Asia, they visit this show. They have a exciting project, and we are working with them to offer them the right solution that they desire to have.
So have a great Gulfood Manufacturing. Thank you to George Makdissy and thank you to Rademaker.
Thank you.